I was introduced to ESTECO technology, I think in 2010. We started using modeFRONTIER, and I introduced it also into a course I'm delivering in University of Beersheba, the fourth biggest university in Israel. And I'm using modeFRONTIER both as an industry worker, so in my work as an engineer, and both in the academia as a teacher in a course. It's a great tool. We are using ESTECO academic program heavily in Beersheba University. Actually, we got licenses from ESTECO, and the students are using it all the time. modeFRONTIER is very flexible, and its user interface is very intuitive. So when a student come and learn it it has also very good tutorials in it. When he studies it by his own, he can get into it very easily. It's very flexible. You can do almost anything with it. You can educate with it, so introduce it to students that didn't have any kind of knowledge about optimization whatsoever, and in a matter of hours they can grasp it and harness it for their own benefit. I get a very good response from the students saying, wow, this kind of tool is amazing, and it's like opening their eyes it's like thinking out of the box, and it's really elevate their creativity level. We have a lot of other tools like open source tools. They are much harder to grasp and they are much harder to handle than modeFRONTIER, which is really a good user interface. Today curriculum for undergraduate student doesn't include the compulsory courses of optimization. And I think it will be very short until we'll see the optimization courses get into the curriculum of the compulsory courses, not just traditional trial and error design and not just design courses, but really using optimization as part of the curriculum of today engineering. The basis is education, so the seeds that we are planting today will grow to a big tree tomorrow.